Hey children, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing fine. And I'm your English teacher Divya, and I'm here to take English subject for class 5th. Okay, children, have you seen sometimes things going around in a funny way? क्या आपने कभी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों को देखा है जो एकदम कुछ उल्टे फुलटे हो या बड़े अजीब तरीके के हो? Have you seen this? या फिर और you have seen things happening या कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं that go upside down, you know, उल्टा फुलटा. Have you seen? Or I think most of you might have experienced also. आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा और आपने मैं अगर सचमुच बताऊँ तो Have you seen things in a messy way? क्या आपने चीज़ों को एकदम बड़ी बुरी हालत में या एकदम उल्टे चीज़ों कंडीशन में देखा है? Okay, today I'm going to take a poem. Okay, मैं एक बहुत प्यारा सा कविता आपको बताने जा रही हूँ and we are going to see that poem and that poem talks about something like this, you know, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में ये कविता जो है बात कर रही है. And the name of this poem is Topsy-Turvy Land, यानी कि उल्टा फुल्टा जमीन या जगह कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, so on to the poem. Topsy-Turvy Land, यानी कि as I told you, topsy-turvy means upside down. The up portion is down and the down portion is up. ठीक है, ऊपर का जो पोर्शन है जो होना चाहिए वो नीचे है और नीचे वाला वो पोर्शन जो है वो ऊपर है. ठीक है, यानी कि उल्टा पुल्टा लैंड, यानी ऐसी जगह है जहां पर सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा है. एंड सी हियर्स अ बॉय, ही इज वंडरिंग. यहाँ पर एक लड़का है वो सोच रहा है. क्या देख करके सोच रहा है? यू कैन सी द थिंग्स. सी चिल्ड्रन, look at the shoe. It's lying down here. Look at the socks over there. One shoe is this side, one shoe is lying here, and here you can see the chair. It's fallen down, and it seems the ball has bounced. मुझे लग रहा है कि बॉल जो यहाँ से आकर के कुर्सी पे लगी है, and the ball is bounced over the chair. Like you know, chair में bounce होने के बाद में, and the ball has gone down. And look at the bed. Look at the bed. And what not all is on the bed? See? Oh, I can see the school bag also, है ना? आप देख सकते हैं बेड में स्कूल बैग रखी हुई है. And look at the color pencils and here the some more color pencils, some books are lying down here. कुछ किताबें नीचे गिरी हुई हैं. Okay, and here there is one bat also, a cricket bat. Children, let's go through the poem. Okay? Oh well, children, there are some interesting questions. कुछ बहुत मजेदार रुचिकर प्रश्न हैं यहाँ पर. I'm going to read out. I'm going to ask you all. Have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? Hey, you must be honest. आपको बड़ी ईमानदारी से जवाब देना होगा. क्या आपने कभी अपने स्कूल बैग को लाकर अपने बेड में डाला है? Yes, I used to do. I have done this. जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती थी, I used to do as soon as I used to come, I used to keep my bag on my bed like that. All right. Next question. Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? क्या आपने जूते और मोजे कभी यहाँ वहाँ कहीं छोड़ा है? Yes or no? Yes, most of us do when we are small. Children do know, most of them they do, है ना? बच्चे ज़्यादातर करते हैं ऐसा. ये आते हैं जूते यहाँ वहाँ फेंक देते, जूते मोजे फेंक देते हैं. And next question, have you ever played with your ball in your room? There. ये तो आपने जरूर किया होगा. हर बच्चे ने किया होगा. क्या आपने अपने कमरे में बॉल से खेला है? I have done that. मैंने किया है. And I'm sure ज़्यादातर बच्चों ने खेला होगा अपने कमरे में. And does your room sometimes look like this? और क्या आपका जो कमरा है वो कभी it looks like this? ऐसे दिखता है आपका कमरा? We'll read the poem. Okay, we are going to recite it. All children, now we are going to read about one such upside down land. है अभी हम ऐसे पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. एक ऐसी जगह है जो उल्टी पुल्टी जगह है. Okay, come on. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. Listen to carefully, children. The people walk upon their heads. How are the people walking? They walking upon their head. अपने सर के बल पे लोग चल रहे हैं. The sea is made of sand. What is sand? बालू, right? बालू कहाँ पर होता है? समुद्र के किनारे, right? Okay. Now the sea is made of sand. Sea कैसे बनी हुई है? पानी से नहीं बनी हुई है, sand से बनी हुई है. The children go to school by night. Wow. The children go to school by night. They don't go in the morning time. जैसे आप सवेरे जाते हो. The children they go during the night time. Okay. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. कहाँ पर? Topsy-turvy land. क्योंकि because it is a topsy-turvy land. क्योंकि वो तो उल्टी फुल्टी जगह है, तो सारी चीजें उल्टी हो रही हैं, right? Let's read out. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. On to the next stanza. The front door step is at the back. I'm going to read out again. The front door step is at the back. What does that mean? What is front door? Front door, सामने का दरवाजा. Front door step. सामने की दरवाजे का जो स्टेप है, जहाँ पे आप कदम रखकर उतरते हैं, वो कहाँ पर है? Is at the back. सोच कर देखिए, just imagine children, the front door step is at the back. You're walking when you stand. Oh, just think over. You're walking when you stand. जब आप खड़े हो तो आप खड़े नहीं हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are walking. Just imagine, just अपने दिमाग के घोड़े को दौड़ाइए और सोच कर देखिए. Okay, just think over, ponder over. I'm going to read out these two lines for you. The front door step is at the back. You're walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet. Where do you wear your hat? On the hat, right? But you see, you wear your hat upon your feet. अपने जो hat है, वो कहाँ पहन रहे हो? अपने पैरों में पहन रहे हो. In topsy-turvy land. Well, you can see here. You can see. In the topsy-turvy land, टोपी कहाँ पर पहनी गई है? पैरों में पहनी गई है. Okay. Now, on to the third stanza, children. There you can see your map over here. देखिए, सर कहाँ पर है? नीचे है. टोपी कहाँ पर पहना हुआ है? पैरों में पहना हुआ है. He's put on his hat on his feet. All right. Let's see. The buses on the sea you'll meet. Okay? The buses on the sea you'll meet. आप कहाँ पर मिलोगे? कहाँ पर देखोगे? बसेस कहाँ पर होंगे? SEA, समुद्र में देखोगे. बसेस जो है आप समुद्र में देखोगे. While pleasure boats are planned. Pleasure boats क्या होते हैं? जब घूमने के लिए आपने देखा होगा, कुछ बोट्स जो है आपको घुमा कर ले आते हैं, समुद्र में घुमाते हैं, राइट? प्लेजर बोट जहाँ पर आपको एंजॉय करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाइल प्लेजर बोट्स आर प्लान्ड, कैसे प्लान कर रहे हैं? टू ट्रैवल अप एंड डाउन द स्ट्रीम. वो प्लेजर बोट कहाँ चल रहे हैं? स्ट्रीट्स में चल रहे हैं, गलियों में चल रहे हैं प्लेजर बोट. नॉर्मली बोट्स कहाँ पर चलते हैं? द बोट्स sail in the sea, in water, right? Okay, now let's read out these four lines again. And buses on the sea you'll meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. Streets में आप आने जाने के लिए कौन सी चीजें चल रही हैं? बोट्स चल रही हैं, not the buses. Okay, और buses कहाँ चल रही हैं? Where are the bus moving? In the sea, समुद्र में चल रही buses. Okay, now let's see on to the fourth stanza. You pay for what you never get. You pay मतलब आप किसी को देना, पैसे देना. You pay for, आप किसी के लिए चीज देते हो, लेकिन वो चीज आपको कभी नहीं मिलती. You never get, कभी नहीं मिलती. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. I think it must. अरे मैं सोचता हूँ कि ये क्या मजेदार होगा. Grand normally means very big, but here it is joyful. Okay? You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. मैं सोचता हूँ ये सचमुच में बहुत मजेदार होगा. For when you go, you're coming back. For when you go, जब आप जा रहे हो तो आप जा नहीं रहे हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप वापस आ रहे हो. जैसे उसमें कहा गया था, you are standing when you walking. जब आप खड़े हो तो चल रहे हो, जब चल रहे हो तो खड़े हो रहे हो. And similarly, for when you go, you're coming back. जब आप जा रहे हो तो जा नहीं रहे हो, actually आप वापस आ रहे हो. In topsy-turvy land. और ये सारी चीजें, all these things, these funny things, where are these happening? They're happening in topsy-turvy land. And this beautiful poem, ये मजेदार poem, children, isn't it very funny? Yes, it is funny, but you can imagine and you can have fun. अच्छा लगता है जब हम ऐसे सारी सोचते हैं. क्या have you ever thought of bus moving in the sea? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि बस जो है समुद्र में चलेंगी और बोट जो है आपके स्ट्रीट्स में, गलियों में चलेंगी? Yes, that is also a different imagination, है ना? And this beautiful poem has been written by H.E. Wilkinson. Shall we go through once again, children? Okay, चलिए एक बार फिर पढ़ लेते हैं. Topsy-turvy land. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. The front door step is at the back. You're walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. On to the third stanza. And buses on the sea you'll meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you go, you're coming back in topsy-turvy land. Children, please do practice this wonderful poem. And आप ये poem practice करके आप अपने दोस्तों को भी सुना सकते हैं, right? Okay, come on, let's move to the new words part. Okay, new words. Topsy-turvy. T-O-P-S-Y. Topsy-turvy. T-U-R-V-Y. Topsy-turvy means, इसका अर्थ है upside down, यानी कि upside, ऊपर का सिरा नीचे, down, okay? यानी कि उल्टा पुल्टा, ठीक है? Okay. Pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. Pleasure. Pleasure means feeling of enjoyment, यानी कि आपको मजे करने की जो फीलिंग, एहसास आता है, उसे कहते हैं pleasure, okay? And next word is grand. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. What's the meaning of grand? Grand means big, as I said, big, and it has another meaning. That means great fun. बहुत मजा आना. That is, जब आप यहाँ पर इस poem में the meaning is great fun. Okay. On to the next part. Look at the first question, children. When do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? Topsy-turvy land में ये उल्टी पलटी जो जगह है, उस जगह पर बच्चे कब स्कूल जाते हैं? Night time, right? Okay, रात को जाते हैं. Fine. So, you can answer this way. Children go to school what? At night in topsy-turvy land. ठीक है, बच्चे रात को topsy-turvy land में स्कूल में जाते हैं, रात के समय जाते हैं. Okay. Question number 2. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, अगर sea में buses travel कर रहे हैं, वो buses चल रही हैं, then where do the boats travel? तो boats कहाँ पर जा रही हैं? What? In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, the boats travel where? In the streets. गलियों में buses जाते हैं. How should it rightly be? Actually, सही में कैसे होना चाहिए? सही तरीके से कैसे होना चाहिए? buses को स्ट्रीट्स में चलना चाहिए. The buses should travel in the streets and the boats should sail on the sea. Okay. Question number 3. The topsy-turvy land is very different from our land. Isn't it, children? Topsy-turvy land जो है वो हमारे land से जहाँ हम रहते हैं, where we live, it is very different, totally different, बिल्कुल भी अलग है. Let's draw a comparison by filling in sentences wherever need. ठीक है? अब हम compare करेंगे what are the things going on in our land and what are the things that are going in the topsy-turvy land. So let's see, children. Here is topsy-turvy land and here our land. ये हमारा land है, okay? What things that we do and here the things that takes place in topsy-turvy land. Okay? Topsy-turvy land में जो चीजें होती है यहाँ पर है और हमारे land में जो चीजें होती हैं they are written over here. Let's see. Number 1. People walk on their heads. Topsy-turvy land में लोग अपने सरों के बल में चलते हैं. What about in our land? We walk on our feet. So let's write. We walk on our feet. Alright? Okay. Next. Number 2. Oh, it's blank over here. Let's see what's written over here. The buses run on land. Buses कहाँ चलते हैं? हमारे यहाँ ज़मीन पर चलते हैं, right? What about in topsy-turvy land? The buses run on the buses run on the sea. समुद्र में चलती हैं buses. Okay. Okay, look at number 3. They wear their hats on feet. In topsy-turvy land, वे क्या कर रहे हैं? Hats अपनी टोपियों को कहाँ पहनते हैं? Feet, पैरों में पहनते हैं. What about us? हमारे land में क्या होता है? We wear our hats on heads. Let's write down. We wear our hats is written on heads. On heads. H-E-A-D-S. Heads. Okay? Number 4. Oh, in the topsy-turvy land, nothing's written here. It's blank. Let's see on the other side. In our land, boats sail in the sea. Boats जो है sea में, समुद्र में sail करते हैं. लेकिन topsy-turvy land में boats कहाँ करते हैं? Boats go up and down in the street. Boats move, you can write now, in the streets. Streets, S-T-R-R-E-T-S. In the streets. Okay. Now, next is Number 5. People pay for what they don't get. लोग उस चीज के लिए पैसा देते हैं जो उन्हें कभी नहीं मिलता. They give the money, but they never get things back. But what about in our land? If we pay, we get the things, right? So let's write down. We pay and what do we have to write? And get what we want. हमें जो चाहिए हम पैसे देते हैं तो हमें वो चीज मिल जाती है. Okay, so let's read down quickly, children. In topsy-turvy land, what are the things happen and what are the things that happen in our land? People walk on their heads. We walk on our feet. The buses run on the sea. The buses run on land. They wear their hats on feet. We wear our hats on heads. Boats move in the streets. Boats sail in the sea. And people pay for what they don't get. We pay and get what we want. So actually I want you all to write down in your textbook and kindly use your pencils. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Well children, let's listen. Okay, this is the listening part, and it's real fun with the words. You know, the words which I'm going to read, you'll find like, you know, it's fun, you know, but only thing is आपको ध्यान से सुनना है. Okay, pleasure, repeat after me. Okay, pleasure, treasure, measure. Do they sound alike? क्या वो एक जैसे सुनाई देते हैं? Yes. Pleasure, treasure, measure. Now next, there is another set of words. Okay, दूसरे सेट है कुछ वर्ड जो मिलते जुलते हैं, एक जैसे सुनाई देते हैं. Wear, tear, stare, wear. Children, क्या आप देख रहे हैं? W-E-A-R, wear, and W-H-E-R-E, wear. This wear is पहनना, and this wear, W-H-E-R-E, wear. कहाँ? Alright, okay. And this is tear. Tear means फाड़ देना. Alright. Or to rip apart, you can say also. Stare, आपने पढ़ा था, stare. घूरना, yes, with looking fixed in one place with eyes opened, wide opened. Okay, all right. So let's read out. Wear, tear, stare, wear. Okay. Another set of word. Planned, canned, scanned, strand. Okay. Planned, canned, scanned, strand. They all are sounding towards the ending and है ना. जब शब्द आखिरी खत्म हो रहा है तो लास्ट में कैसे साउंड कर रहा है? and. See, canned, planned, scanned, strand. All right. अब next step में देखेंगे हम. Topsy-turvy, hurly-burly, curly-whirly. देखिए ये सारी Y word है. Okay, here it sounds Y, here also Y, and here's Y. Again, topsy-turvy, hurly-burly, curly-whirly. Let's read out once again. Okay, pleasure, treasure, measure. Wear, tear, stare, wear. Planned, canned, scanned, strand. Topsy-turvy, hurly-burly, curly-whirly. On to the next one. Let's talk. The words in the sentences are jumbled here. ये जो sentences दिए गए हैं इसमें जो words हैं they are jumbled. आगे पीछे उल्टा पुल्टा दिया हुआ है. Okay. Rearrange them. आपको दोबारा से उसको अरेंज करना, ठीक ठाक रखना है. To make meaningful sentences. सिर्फ आपको यहाँ से वहाँ only you don't have to do that, but you have to put it in such a way that it brings a meaning. ताकि जब वो सेंटेंस बने तो उसमें कोई मतलब निकले, उसको पढ़कर कुछ समझ आए कि अच्छा ये कहा जा रहा है. Okay? Words that begin with a capital letter, जो words capital letter से शुरू होते हैं, are the first word of the sentence. ये आपको मदद करने के लिए, this is to help you out. This is a clue. वो इस क्लू इसलिए दिया गया है ताकि आपको पता चले कि कौन से वर्ड से you have to start the sentence. हाँ, from which word you have to make the sentence. Okay. So let's see the first sentence. Renu naughty is a girl. Now we have to rearrange it. Shall we do it? Renu, because it is a capital letter, तो हम रेनू से start करेंगे. Okay? Renu is a naughty girl. Is it all right? Yes. Let's write down. Renu is a naughty girl. Children, please check out the spellings out as I'm writing. Yes. Now see, there is a meaning to this. Okay? यहाँ अगर आप ये सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं तो आपको कुछ समझ आ रहा है कि ये कुछ कह रहा है. रेनू इज अ नॉटी गर्ल. व्हेन यू रीड, क्या आपको इससे कुछ समझ आता है? रेनू नॉटी इज अ गर्ल. नो, आपने इसको अरेंज किया, रीअरेंज किया है, एंड नाउ देयर इज सम सेंस, कुछ समझ आ रही बात. रेनू इज अ नॉटी गर्ल. ऑलराइट, ऑन टू नंबर 2. Untidy room her always is. So children, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे हम? यहाँ पर दिया गया था कि कौन सा वर्ड से स्टार्ट होगा पहले, जिसमें कैपिटल लेटर होगा. ओके, सो हियर इज द कैपिटल लेटर HER, हर. तो हम हर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. हर रूम इज ऑलवेज अनटाइडी. हर रूम इज ऑलवेज अनटाइडी. उसके कमरे जो हैं हमेशा अनटाइडी रहते हैं. लेट्स राइट डाउन. Her room is always untidy. T-I-D-Y. Untidy. Okay. On to the third one. Mother, her advises her clean to it. When you read out, there is no meaning, है ना? जब आप इसको पढ़ते हो तो आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आता है कि इसमें क्या कहा गया है. तो we have to rearrange it. Now remember, जैसे बताया गया था, you have to start from the word which has capital letter. आपको उस शब्द से शुरू करना है जिसमें कैपिटल लेटर लिखा है. तो कैपिटल लेटर किसमें लिखा हुआ है? HER. तो हम हर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. We are going to find out the sentence from her. Her advises her clean. No. Her mother. Okay. Her mother, उसकी माँ. Her mother advises, उसकी माँ एडवाइस करती है. Her mother advises her to clean it. Is it okay? Her mother advises her to clean it. उसकी माँ उसे एडवाइस करती है उसे कि उसे साफ करे. Let's write out. So long sentence. Her mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother advises, A-D-V-I-S-E-S, advises her to clean it. Clean it first up. Okay. Yes, children, before we go to the fourth sentence, let's go through these 3 lines, okay? Renu naughty is a girl. Well, we have arranged it in a proper way. Renu is a naughty girl. Number 2, untidy room her always is. Her room is always untidy. Number 3, mother her advises her clean to it. Now we have rearranged it and rearranged it in a proper way. Her mother advises her to clean it. Let's go to the fourth sentence. Okay. Number 4. Never listens she her mother to. Now again we have to start with the word which has capital letter. ठीक है? जिस word में capital letter है उससे हमें start करना है sentence. Okay? So let's begin with she. She में capital S is capital. Okay? So she never listens to her mother. Okay, that means वो अपनी माँ की कभी नहीं सुनती. Okay, let's write out. She never listens to her mother. Okay, all right. On to number 5. what child you are. Now there is a question mark also. तो अगेन हमें कौन से वर्ड से स्टार्ट करना है? जिस वर्ड में कैपिटल लेटर है. तो किसमें कैपिटल है? The word what has got W capital. ठीक है, W कैपिटल है तो हमें W से स्टार्ट करना है. What child are you kind? No. What kind of, okay, it sounds little good. What kind of child you are? No. What kind of a child you are? Is it okay? Yes. कुछ सेंस आ रहा है? आपको कुछ समझ आ रही है? Yes. So let's write down. What kind of a child you are? तुम कैसे किस्म के बच्चे हो? Let's write down. We'll begin with what. What kind, K-I-N-D, kind of a child you are. That means तुम कैसे बच्चे हो या तुम कैसे किस्म के बच्चे हो. Okay, I'm going to read out this fourth and fifth sentence. Okay. Never listens she her mother to, and we have arranged it in a meaningful way. She never listens to her mother. Number 5. Kind of what child you are. हमने इसे सीधा किया है और बिल्कुल एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाया. We have made a meaningful sentence, and that is what kind of a child you are. Okay, I want your children to write down these sentences also. Since we have practiced also, then you can write down on your own. Okay. Now let's see this. Can you tell of some things that go topsy-turvy at home and there is disorder? क्या आपके घर में कभी topsy-turvy जैसी हालत होती है और क्या बता सकते हैं कि what kind of those things happen? Like it's and there is disorder. जब topsy-turvy land वाली जैसी हालत होती है, when this condition like topsy-turvy land, do you find disorder everywhere? कि आपको लगता है कि सब कुछ एकदम अव्यवस्थित हो गया है, बिल्कुल सब कुछ ठीक ठाक नहीं है? Yes, sometimes it happens at home and sometimes we also create, है ना. कभी कभी हम भी ऐसा कर देते हैं. Just now I showed you कि हमने देखा कि शूज कहीं पर रखे हैं, सॉक्स कहीं पर रखे हैं, the bags are on the bed, sometimes some things are on the sofa, right? Okay children, now today we have come through this wonderful poem and we went through the whole exercise also. ठीक है, हमने एक्सरसाइज का पार्ट भी देखा और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप ये पोम को अच्छी तरह से रिसाइट करें. इट इज अ वंडरफुल पोएम. बहुत मजेदार एक अजीब सा पोएम है बट इट इज रियली वंडरफुल पोएम, है ना. बहुत अच्छा पोएम है. प्लीज गो थ्रू द वर्ड्स. There are hardly 3 new words, okay, and those 3 words are topsy-turvy and I think pleasure and grand. Okay, do go through those word meanings also and also recite the poem twice, thrice or 4 or 5 times and by heart it. Okay, and also do not forget to go through the exercise. Children, in the next part we are going to cover the whole portion. All right, till then, bye bye.